Welcome to Rivermill by HHHunt, a community in Glen Allen, Virginia, where life meets nature and the possibilities are endless. Here's your fall 2023 development update. At Rivermill, you'll find a diverse selection of homes, including low-maintenance townhomes and spacious single-family residences. But that's not all. We're thrilled to announce that we also offer custom home builders. All of our preferred builders are hard at work, bringing your dream home to life right here in the community. Rivermill lifestyle is not just your home. It includes world-class amenities. Picture yourself at Mill Square Park, a tranquil oasis with an open-air pavilion, a cozy fire pit, and a serene hammock garden, your perfect escape. Discover the heart of Rivermill, The Connection. This amenity center is a vibrant hub of community life, featuring a state-of-the-art clubhouse, an amphitheater, and a pool area. You can gather with friends and neighbors at your outdoor kitchen and fire pit, where stories are shared and memories are made. Overlooking the Chickahominy River, The Connection is the perfect backdrop for planned community events. Our homeowners are already savoring the unique Rivermill lifestyle, and we invite you to join this thriving community. Your new home at Rivermill is just a click away. Visit rivermillnewhomes.com today to secure your spot in this extraordinary community. Rivermill is a community designed and planned by HHHunt Communities. To learn more about HHHunt Communities, visit hhuntcommunities.com.